We are making gingerbread men today. The frosting is erasable. Yep. Whoa, the light totally just changed. Okay, then go back up. Alright, this is little George with his tree pants. This is tree pants. See? He's gonna let this on. This is little Johnny with his pinstripe pants. And this is Joe. Big Show. Big Show Joe. Big Show Joe with his hard boxers. This is no face. This is no. This is no face. This is little Timmy in his pudding pajamas that zip. And his glasses. And this is little Susie with her pink dress. And this is little Mary with her flower dress. And this is Sadness. And this is striped overalls. And this is sugar eyes. This is polka dot shirt. And this is Jordan. Okay, my turn. You can do this. Okay. This is a class on how to make gingerbread men. Women, too. But you do not make them like this. This was the sad lone soldier who died last year. Alright, now, first, the soldier doesn't have a foot. What? Because I have no foot. Eat it. I don't know. Okay, first, you take your gingerbread man, or a woman, whatever you want. And then, you can do it however you like, and I'm going to make mine a woman, and I'm going to give her long hair. No, it's not. It's Alex. Well, I'm talking, but this isn't me. It's gingerbread woman. And her name is Jordan. No, it's not. I'm kidding. Okay, that was really bad. Okay. The thing about frosting like this is it is erasable and edible. And edible. So you just take it. Different finger. And you eat it. Erase it. Alright, we're gonna try that again. Okay. Alright. You try. Okay, we need to get a gingerbread man here. Those are all crappy ones. Here's a good one. Alright, so take your gingerbread person and give it however kind of hairstyle you like or want it to have. Mine's going to have little curly dots. Corners. No, curly dots. Corners. No! Corners. Okay, so make your little curly dots. Corners. Make your little corners. Exactly. Nobody has hair past their ears, you stupid dumb person. I do. It doesn't grow on your ear. This person doesn't have ears. Okay. Start with the face. Whatever kind of face you want. Alright. And then you make a body. Mine's going to have a dress. Just like this. Just like this. Now, on with the dress, you can make any type of design you want. Mine's going to have little stripes. Let's go there. No. They don't have to be straight. They don't have to be there. No. It can be whatever you want. Because you're gingerbread people, remember. And there's hundreds more to make. Okay, so you do it like that. And then I want to do a little duck in between each one. Just like this. Okay. And then you can make little shoes. You don't have to if you don't want to. I like my people to have shoes, or at least socks, not to go barefoot. That's not safe.
Unlike No Face.
Yeah, No Face kind of died in the war. And this can be No Face's brother. One eye.
Cyclops No Face.
Look his mouth. Like this.
And Venom.
And then he has a little, and then his little tail.
It's a phone!
No, Trevor. A pants, I tell you! No,
I ain't believing it.
shut up. Now, your hand might start to feel kind of sore after a while. And then, you take your favorite sprinkles, and then you just add them like this. You might have to kind of put them in the frosting, but that's okay too. Of your dress, or whatever you want. You don't have to do sprinkles, I just like to make them pretty. And then you just keep putting them on. And then after you're done doing that, you can just brush them off your hands. And then, there you go. Your own little Miss Molly. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Good job.